with regard of our jury. As you all know, we did have a. Oh, can we get the defendant in the courtroom, please, before we start? Thank you. Okay. Good morning. Please. So the defendant is in the courtroom already with counsel, and there is also counsel for the state present. So our conversation late last night with regard to what we had been advised of, um, which prompted the what we're doing this morning and the delay that we're having this morning as a result of this information, is that, as you know, there was one of the jurors that reported a positive COVID, and the juror has. I've spoken to the juror this morning. Um, uh, Again, um, and um, she is extremely symptomatic, and so, but she's doing fine. She says not to worry about her. She says, and so in any event, I asked her the obvious questions under the rules, that whether she believes that she is symptomatic under the CDC rules. Of course, they tell you if you're symptomatic, you should not go out in public. You should wear a mask. You should. In any event, they she's been advised by her doctor to stay home, isolate, to rest, and everything has to be done. In any event, as a result of that, I find that in fact she is unable to continue with her duties, and she is unable to act under the statute. And there's a limited basis in which we can discharge somebody as a juror, and my inclination is to discharge her based on the situation that's going on with her and her inability to continue into discharging her duties in given her situation. From the state side, do you have any objection to that inclination of the court?
No objection, Your Honor.
From the defense?
Judge, we'll have no objection. Do you have a clarification of which juror?
Juror number 12.
It's your,
Thank you.
we have no objection.
So she would be discharged, and she will. You have the list? Oh, has the list. So the first alternate will step into that place. They were sworn in as alternates, but they also were sworn in as with the jury oath, and they were advised that they would step in that capacity, already been sworn in to do what they have to do and continue to do in this case. We will advise them of the status. Okay, with regard to the rest of the jury. So the rest of the jury was given high recommendations or to under CDC recommendations and rules that they were not symptomatic, that they do not have to stay home. They could just use a mask, and a good mask, and that they In fact, they don't even recommend that they get tested. I highly recommend that they get tested since they've been together for 3 days this week. And a lot of them most of them have opted to do that. We have given as an option the county facility to get that done, obviously free of charge. And so a lot of them have opted to do that. So they're doing that this morning. They will report their status. As soon as possible. So as soon as they do, we'll report back to you. So we will start 1 o'clock, given our ability to start, even whatever it is that was reported to us, and we'll take it from there. But that's the plan for now. The first alternate is Emmanuel Garcia. That's alternate number 1. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Judge, I believe there are some motions that the defense would like to make.
I need to get off and take care of a couple of things, and then I'll come back and do those motions. Don't go anywhere. The defendant can, unless you need them here to discuss those motions, keep them here. If not, put them in the holding cell and bring them back whenever we're ready with the motion. All right. Thank you.
Please rise.
So it sounds like come back in 4 hours or just under 4 hours. Wow, that's that's something I didn't see coming. I guess I can catch up on some of my sleep. Okay, well. I will end this stream and set up one for 4 hours, just under 3.5 hours from now. So, all right. Well, we'll see you. We'll see you back. Catch you in a few hours. Bye-bye.